Are you ready for a fresh start? After a year like 2020, we all are, and Chalk Couture is here to help. The best gift you'll give yourself this December is a fresh start with our Fresh Starter Kit. It is everything you need to build your own brand in DIY home decor, and it's just $99 US or $135 Canadian plus shipping. The kit includes everything you need to start smart. Whether you love to create and resell handmade items, host creative workshops, or sell the hottest decor products around online and from the comfort of your own home. Here are some highlights of the refreshed kit. There are 5 3-ounce jars of our washable, wonderful Chalkology paste with raspberry sorbet and colonial blue newly added to complement our classic bright white, meadow, and that yummy shimmer harvest. These colors are perfect for that springtime we all hope is just around the corner. You'll also get 7 reusable mesh silkscreen transfers, top sellers and brand new for you, like Hugs and Kisses or Believe in Yourself. Plus, our special Club Couture transfer. It's a design that's so hot and changes every month. You'll also get our favorite surfaces, super tools, amazing business supplies to help you hit the ground crafting. It's well over $240 US and $330 in Canadian retail value. Plus, you'll get ideas and inspiration all the time from your Chalk Couture community to help you design your future with fun, flexibility, financial opportunity, and friends. Invest in you. Give yourself the gift of becoming a Chalk Couture designer this month. Learn more, contact your independent designer, or you can visit chalkcouture.com to get started today.